Hey, how's it going everybody? And welcome back to another Spooktober video. And today we have a special guest. So today she is actually gonna do my face. She's gonna make me look snatched and fresh.
And on fleek.
And on fleek. I want to do, actually it's trending all over online, and it wasn't until somebody that I follow, James Charles, did a skeleton kind of like jaw look, and I'm like, I really think that is sick. So I really want to do that, and I need the help of Blayne because she knows makeup and the steps and all that stuff that I don't know. So I mean, she's not only gonna help me with this look as well, you get to see what kind of stuff that she can do as well. So she's gonna try and replicate the picture that I have here, and then
you should put it like right here.
Somewhere here. Yeah. So we're gonna get all situated and we'll see you in a quick second. Okay, so here we go. So what is this?
This is primer.
Okay.
This is going to cover any imperfections, and it's going to, well, not cover them, but it's going, my arm is like totally.
So my entire face.
That looks so gross. Okay, so this one is, it's a pore one. So if you have any like open pores, it's going to cover them.
Whoa, okay.
So it's going to allow your foundation to lay nice and sleek. So now what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to do your eyes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the lids.
And what is this?
This is concealer. So raise your eyebrows like you surprised. And then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender.
So quick little story time. So I went to my closest little drugstore because I was like, I just need to pick up a couple things, and you know, just like the necessities to do this, and so I did. I ended up walking out of the store with worth of makeup products. So it's like, that was scary. That was probably the spookiest thing I've done so far this month. But anyway.
Now we're gonna take this brush. So we're gonna use, this is the Metal Matte Kat Von D. It's a palette.
It's a palette.
We're gonna mix suede and bone.
Ooh, even the color sounds spooky.
I'm totally covering you.
Here, do you want me to like turn?
Or
like
maybe
slightly?
switch spots.
Switch spots?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna use these two fluffy brushes. One skinnier than this one. So this one's gonna be more of the transition color, and then this one's gonna be more of the crease. Gotta get it good.
Gotta get it good. Okay, here we go. Here's some
go.
color. Ooh, this is wet. This must be. This is the NYX, right?
No, this is concealer.
Oh, concealer. Okay, cool. Sorry, carry on.
Your eyes are done.
Whoa.
Do you want to see your eyes?
Do I want to? I think I want to be surprised.
You want to be
surprised?
surprised?
Yeah.
Okay. This is really liquidy.
What is it? That's a foundation.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It looks like it should work. Even if it's like a little bit darker.
Oh.
Ish, whatever.
Is it dark?
It'll blend.
Oh, okay, thank God.
Okay, you good. You
Oh my God, I literally just picked it out of a whim. I was like, this looks like my skin color. I literally picked this out just by myself.
Okay, look up. No, open your eyes and look up. Don't look at the freaking concealer.
Oh, okay.
You know what we need?
What?
Powder! Do you want to use mine? Because it smells like peaches?
Yeah, let's use that. 'Cause
Peaches!
I was really curious about that brand. Oh my God, those brushes are everything.
They're mermaids!
Is this setting powder?
This is setting powder. It smells and tastes like peaches. Don't ask me how I know. We go and bake this bitch.
Yeah, we get baked. I'm baking.
Now lick your lips.
Do I?
Do it. Do it. I'm serious. Do it.
It's like a dried fuzzy peach. I love it.
We gonna use the Hoola for made to fit bronzer.
Ooh, Hoola. I would have always be like, where is my cheekbone? Because I honestly don't know.
It's always...
I feel like my cheeks are so puffy.
Top of the ear.
Right.
To the nose.
Oh.
Is where you should always contour.
Tips and tricks.
Hello? Real fast.
Ooh, so we're dipping into Jet.
Which
the
is
shade
black.
Jet. Ooh.
Should I get right in your booger holes?
There, I'm so sorry, guys, buggers. I didn't check that before.
Hey, they ain't my boogers.
No. Found it.
This is our job. This is our job.
Okay, that's enough.
Wait, are you done? Serious? Actually?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Anything finishing touches you want to do before I look?
I don't think so. Is there eyebrows?
Eyebrows? Oh my god.
Are you ready? Did you almost see it?
No. No.
Okay. Ready?
Oh my god.
Set.
I'm so scared.
Do you want a mirror or do you want to look at the camera?
I think I'll look at the camera. Or maybe both. I don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, that looks sick. This eyebrow looks so good. Hello? That's so sick. Oh my god. I'm like dead. Like just speechless. Like that's so good. What do you think?
I like it. I'm pretty happy with it.
Good, good. I'm really like, this is sick. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. My look is sick. I am so happy that Blayne did this for me today. I will link her Instagram, YouTube, give her a follow, subscribe to her because she has amazing talent and I'm loving this sick look. So do that for me, and if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share. So thank you guys and happy Halloween.